Here we go, guys, another video, another explore, another revisit. Something me and Kurt done a couple of years ago. This place I used to actually ride my bike through when I was a teenager because it was a quicker way home. But we're going to show the man, the myth, the legend. Let's do this. Let's do this. So you can see, frozen. I didn't start you on the hill just in case one of us slipped and you would have laughed about it, but we like our dignity. Well, let's take you through, and we are returning to the miler, which is Victorian train tunnel. That's full of hot hatches from the 80s, 90s, burned out, stolen, never to be found again. We're gonna get soaking wet. Kurt's got a bet on we ain't. I'm saying we are. So beers might be on him later. Well, let's get into it.
Right, trainers on then.
Yeah. There she is. I think the beers are on Kurt. Unless he's got a little magic carpet to get us across. This is a bit of the exploring you don't see, guys, when you sat in your nice toasty homes watching our videos. Mine ain't waterproof either. Great.
Oh, no, it's nearly these ankles. I'm gonna go that side.
Might as well. You come in or?
I'm going this way. That hurts well to top down.
Well, look at that trolley. It's gonna be up to our knees time we get in there.
Well, we could walk the other way. How far's the other way?
A bit of a distance, like.
Depends if you want wet knees.
No, I think the best way to be to walk across the wall. Look, it all looks as if there's.
Should have brought the hunters.
It all looks as if you're then that high if you walk across the wall, like you said.
Brilliant. Right, so you beautiful people at home, let's just jump in straight into this video. But for us, we've just trekked over half hour around the other side of the mile-long tunnel. Because believe it or not, it's dry. So let's get, well, I'm hoping it's going to be dry when we get behind that wall, to be fair, but let's get stuck on into it. See what it's like this side. You see the... Alright, sweetheart. And there we go, you get to see how dark it is, but at least we can hop across some of these stones and actually stay dry. Alright, let's get a shot for Kurt and do some photos. How cool is that? Look at that pure water. Clean that is. It's glove. Amazing. I borrow some of Kurt's lights in here and really light it up for you guys. We're ongoing, guys. Do apologise, I know the GoPros are awful in the dark. We are trying to shoot it up. Literally without the lights, that's what you see. Look at like the old, like the fungus stuff on the wall, the way everything's growing through. As Kurt just mentioned out, you've got your little duck and cover places we would have gone for the trains. Hiding there as steam locos are coming past you. Incredible. I think this was up in use in like the 50s and the 60s. And apparently this has had haunted things as well. In here.
Well, I've got my spirit box with it.
Have you actually? Oh yeah, man, we're getting a little mini investigation going. Look at the brickwork and stuff. Incredible. Right, let's pick it up when we get to the car. Got a structure, metal framing. That's pretty cool. And literally right up in on the distance, as you can make of that. GoPro's awful in there.
Oh yeah,
We've got some cars coming up. We've got that car, which we thought was a Vauxhall Nova, but apparently I've been told it's a Cavalier.
What, the white one?
The white one, yeah.
I got told it was a Mark 1 Nova.
I thought it was, and apparently it's that's like a Fiesta, that one, doesn't it?
It looks bugger.
Look at the doors, like the way they are on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Fiesta or something.
Or again, another cab or something, isn't it? It's got a saloon on it, hasn't it? Come on, car guys, speak up. This is what my favourite.
Yeah, this is ace, this is. It's the only one that you can make out, you know, is actually a car.
Look at that. I love how the air filter is just still there as well. Take the engine, leave the alternator and the air filter. Wow. That looks a bit more crushed since it's been the last, mate. The door handle's still on it, isn't it? Literally, I see more cars on the street with less rust than this one. Look at that. Window rubbers.
Solid, don't it?
It is quite surprising, isn't it? Considering it's got water and everything dripping on it. Look like it's built over it. Crazy.
One burnt out. The other one.
Alright, do when we get to the next one, guys. Yeah, we're at the halfway checkpoint. Let's get wet. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Woo. What parts of the car, man?
Very more metal.
No. Upside down, isn't it?
Yo.
Yeah, it's upside down now, isn't it? Still got a headlamp in that side, look. Awesome. That's cool. Oh, that's an Escort, isn't it? That's an Escort.
Probably, yeah, because of the boot.
Ford Escort.
They were notorious for being buckets and things. Seatbelt, aye, and a seatbelt, isn't it?
What? Impaling on the floor. Jeez.
Jeez.
Now, there's probably some guy out there restoring an Escort. Says to me, Jordan, I need that seatbelt. Look at that. That's a Vauxhall, isn't it? See what the badge would have been. Still got the VIN on it. That's a Fiesta, right? That makes some awesome garden art, mind.
Oh yeah.
Doors, look. Yeah, Vauxhall, that's an Astra as well. That's awesome, man. Love it. Just look at this fez. Look at that. That's been flipped over since we were here last, mate. Also, I've been an Astra, guys. Look at that. What remains, anyway. And you got all the parts of the Fiesta, which was red. And we had a little move over to this, you can see it better. She was upside down. Look at that, guys. It's the VIN still on it. Awesome. There we go. She's jacked up to get whatever they wanted to get out of it. Rocking a steel, isn't it? It's another Fiesta, isn't it? It's got to be.
Oh yeah.
Looks like that. Speakers. Yeah, that's a Fez. What an adventure. Right guys, there we go, end of the video, end of the adventure, end of the explore. Let's return to the tunnels. Even in a year the cars are looking worse condition, they've been flipped around or whatever. Check out the lads' channels, links in the description, tell them I sent them over. See you all soon. Not sure when the video is going to drop. If it goes before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If not, Happy New Year.